This is Don Jazzy, the CEO, Maven Records, the former record label for Tiwa Savage, Wanda Cole, before he made a huge fortune from crypto within 10 minutes. Don Jazzy made $300,000 in 10 minutes with NFTs. What NFTs did he buy that made such fortune? How did he even start the trading process before he cashed out? How did he become such a huge success in such a trade with limited knowledge? What is Don Jazzy's business secret? Watch this video to the end to discover a whole lot more on how Don Jazzy made $300,000 in 10 minutes with NFTs and a special bonus for you at the end of this episode. Don Jazzy, whose real name is Michael Collins Ajir, is a Nigerian music producer, entrepreneur, record label owner, singer, and philanthropist. Born on November 26, 1982, in the southeastern part of Nigeria, Umuahia. He rose to fame as a renowned singer, songwriter, producer, and co-founder for the defunct popular More Hit Records that revolutionized the Nigeria music industry in the early 2000s. After music business separation and closed down one of the most successful Nigerian record label in the 2000s, Don Jazzy single-handedly founded the Maven Records in May 8, 2012 with stars like Tiwa Savage, Wanda Cole, Dr. Sid Prince, and others. Since then till date, Don Jazzy has ventured into many businesses including cryptocurrency business and NFTs.
NFTs started buzzing. I don't understand what NFT is. All I know is that some guy reached out to me. His name is Osinachi. He's a dope artist. Apparently he has been doing this NFT thing for a long time, since 2017. I'm like, where was I?
How did Don Jazzy acquire an estimated net worth of $20 million net worth according to Forbes? What motivated Don Jazzy even to venture into the crypto NFTs project? How did Don Jazzy make a whopping $300,000 in 10 minutes with NFTs? These and many more will be exposed in this episode. But before we proceed, click now and subscribe to this channel. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that are stored on a blockchain. They can be anything from digital art and music to in-game items and domain names. NFTs are bought and sold using cryptocurrency, and they have become increasingly popular in recent years, especially in Nigeria, where there is a huge army of crypto enthusiasts residing. In December 2021, Don Jazzy made headlines when he revealed that he had made $300,000 in 10 minutes from selling an NFT. How did it happen? Africa's first and foremost crypto artist and NFT artist, Prince Jack and Osinachi Igwe reached out to Don Jazzy in 2019 after seeing the music producer tweeted about his interest in NFTs.
Some guy reached out to me. His name is Osinachi. He's a dope artist. Apparently he has been doing this NFT thing for a long time.
Osinachi sent Don Jazzy a link to his portfolio, and immediately the two artists began some casual conversations that transcended into some of form business, collaborating on a project. Don Jazzy was really impressed with Osinachi's work, and so he agreed to collaborate with him on an NFT drop. The two artists worked together to create 3 artworks, each of which was accompanied by a 20-second beat produced by Don Jazzy. Yes, Don Jazzy created a 20 seconds beat for each of the artwork created by Astonishing. The NFT collection, titled Don Jazzy x Astonishing, was released in December 2021 on Nifty Gateway, which is a platform that allows artists and creators to sell their digital work as NFTs. And immediately, Don Jazzy and Astonishing proceeded to open a Discord channel to promote the NFT auction. They also shared the auction link on their social media accounts. On the day of the auction, there was a lot of excitement and anticipation. Boom! The collection sold out in just 10 minutes and Don Jazzy and Astonishing cashed out $300,000.
All I know is that let me see how they want to sell this thing to who and who is buying. I don't understand who wants to buy, who wants to come and buy this thing. They just say, don't worry, people will buy this. That's what the thing dropped. The day when the thing dropped. 10 minutes, baby. Under that 10 minutes, that is, we have made about $300,000.
Wow.
Don Jazzy's success story with NFTs offers several valuable lessons. Number 1. Embracing technology. Don Jazzy's willingness to embrace new technology, specifically NFTs, demonstrates the importance of staying open to innovations in your field. Number 2. Monetizing digital assets. The story highlights the potential of NFTs as a means to monetize digital assets as a creative. Number 3. Leveraging a fan base. Don Jazzy's dedicated fan base played a significant role in the success of his NFT auction. Number 4. Blockchain technology. NFTs are built on blockchain technology, which ensures transparency, security, and authenticity. Number 5. Global reach. NFT marketplaces offer creators access to a global audience. Don Jazzy's NFT auction attracted bidders from around the world, demonstrating the borderless nature of the digital economy. Number 6. Ownership and rights. NFTs grant ownership and rights to digital assets, potentially changing how artists and creators negotiate contracts and royalties. Number 7. Timing and promotion. Don Jazzy's successful NFT auction was boosted by strategic timing and effective promotion through his social media channels. Timing your NFT releases and marketing efforts can significantly impact their success. Number 8. Community engagement. Engaging with your community and involving them in your NFT journey can create a sense of ownership and excitement around your digital creations. Don Jazzy's fans were actively involved in the auction, contributing to its success. And finally, Don Jazzy's story serves as inspiration for others looking to explore the world of NFTs and blockchain technology. Learning from his experience in studying successful NFT ventures can provide valuable insights for aspiring creators and entrepreneurs. For staying till this moment, here is our bonus for you. Click on the link in the pinned comment section to download your free copy of our magazine that costs $3.99 per monthly subscription. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. Till we come your way tomorrow, bye for now.